Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to put clock behind wallpaper on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you need to do is go to your software update section and make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS 26 update, because some of the features used in this tutorial are only available on iOS 26. Once that's done, swipe down from the top, long press on an empty space on the lock screen, and then tap on Customize. Now, you'll need to select a photo for your wallpaper, and it's important to choose an image with a clear subject in the foreground and a visible background behind it. Photos with objects like trees, people, buildings, pets, or cars work best because the iPhone can easily separate the foreground from the background, which is what allows the clock to appear behind the subject. After selecting your wallpaper, make sure the depth effect is enabled. Sometimes it's turned on automatically, but if not, tap the three dots on the right side and check that the depth effect option is enabled. Next, zoom in on your photo slightly so the foreground object overlaps the clock area, and you'll see the clock automatically slide behind that object. You can also use the small handle on the clock to make it larger, which can help push it behind the subject as well. Keep in mind that not every photo will give perfect results, so it's a good idea to try a few different images. And that's it. So that's basically how you can put clock behind wallpaper on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.